going high score.
Hey, Trent. What are you doing? Hula hooping.
Hey.
Yeah? How's it going?
It's going good.
Good. Making a memory.
Going pro.
Pro hula circuit.
Pro hula circuit. Here I come.
Who are the sponsors for that?
Red Bull. Oh. Gotta feel that in your lungs a little bit.
Thoughts? Final thoughts?
That's only 2 stars. That's only 2 stars. Are you kidding me?
Disappointed in your performance?
How does that even happen? What are you supposed to do?
You can beat 176.
What are you supposed to do? I rocked the box.
George, are you disgruntled?
Yes,
Unhappy with your performance? Tell me about it.
I'm scared of the Japanese, to be honest. Like, if they could beat that, it must be crazy.